In today's video, I am going to teach you how to access Zoho Commerce by Zoho CRM. If you are using Zoho CRM and you want to connect it to Zoho Commerce, this walkthrough will help you get there in a clear, step-by-step way. As you follow along, focus on the screen changes and the specific buttons mentioned, since the exact labels can guide you through the process. To begin, open Zoho Commerce. You can do this by going to your Zoho account area and selecting Zoho Commerce from your apps, or by navigating directly to the Zoho Commerce website. Once it opens, you should land on the main dashboard or landing page for Zoho Commerce. This is the starting point where you will manage integrations, and it is important to start here so you see the correct options. Next, go to Integrations. On the screen, look for a section, tab, or menu item labeled Integrations. This is where Zoho collects all connection tools between different Zoho products and third-party services. Taking a moment to find the Integrations area matters because it ensures you are not searching for the connection settings in the wrong place. When you click Integrations, you should see a list or page that shows available integration options. Uredevaming page. After you are in Integrations, select Zoho CRM. On the Integrations page, scan the options until you see Zoho CRM listed. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a tile, a category, or a specific integration entry. Choose the integration that specifically says Zoho CRM so you connect Commerce to your CRM account. This selection is the key step because it tells Zoho Commerce which system you want to link. Now click Connect. Once you select Zoho CRM, you should see a button that initiates the connection, often labeled Connect. Clicking Connect starts the process and typically moves you into an authorization and setup flow. This step matters because it changes the state from simply viewing the integration to actually linking it to an account. Then choose your Zoho CRM organization. After you click Connect, the system will ask you to confirm which organization you want to use. Look for an option or drop-down that displays your Zoho CRM organizations. Select the correct organization that contains the CRM data you want to connect with Zoho Commerce. If you have more than one organization, double-check that you pick the one you intend to use, because selecting the wrong organization can lead to mismatched data later. Finally, click Connect. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.